Hey guys, Christian here with Uncharted. How's it going today? So our company is coming up on 2 years old and we are building all sorts of new stuff soon to be released. But for all of you out there that have the current 72 and love it, we wanted to continue to find ways to improve your experience. One of the ways is creating this upgrade bundle. A lot of these products you're going to see in future versions of the product, and while there's nothing wrong with the stuff you guys have, we wanted to give you guys the opportunity to upgrade a few of the key components if you want to. I'm going to take you through a few of these pieces, why we upgraded them, show you the difference, and then you can pick it up on our website. So one of the things we've upgraded is the flashlight. We love this little guy that's in the existing 72. Waterproof, super durable, long battery life, and it's very bright. Clips into the backpack very nice. It's a great solution, but you can always go bigger and brighter, right? That's what we've done with this guy. Still waterproof, still very durable, 3 AAA batteries, but the beam in this thing is substantially brighter. Check this out. So as you can see guys, the new light is substantially brighter. It still has the great telescoping zoom as the old one did. It's still got high-low beam, that's low, and it's got strobe. All the features you know and love, just brighter, still waterproof, still strong. Up next is the Multitool. Pretty big improvement over our existing one. Now this guy is tough and it does a great job, but this is a full-size multi-tool with all the pieces you'd expect. It's got a glass breaker, which is a bit unique to us, a scissors, a flathead, a bottle opener, a knife, a saw, serrated edge, a can opener, and a Phillips screwdriver. All in a big, easy to grip, large size. This is a really great piece, on par with anything you find in the industry right now. Lastly, we've upgraded the gloves. Now these new gloves have been shipping in 72s for the last several months, but if you were one of our first customers, this is a very, very important upgrade. We love leather red gloves, but the problem is when it gets cold and wet, this is not the most waterproof solution, and we wanted to find something better. Not only are these guys waterproof, they're made of nitrile and silicone, they've got an amazing grippy hand on them, and they are fleece lined, giving you a ton of added warmth. These are great gloves for any season, any condition. These gloves are completely waterproof, insulated, super tactile, a very important upgrade. So here's the deal. If you bought all of these pieces individually on our website, they cost about $60 combined. The package itself is going to be $49.99, but for a short time, we're offering an introductory price of $39.99, saving you $20 on this kit. Go to unchartedsupplyco.com right now and check it out.